So we have we got roughly 3 stalks of celery and tablespoon of fresh ginger, 1 medium-sized cucumber, and roughly about 2 tablespoons of parsley and 1 lemon. That's the ingredients right there. Okay, you don't need to add water because this is just to be a liquid right here. So okay, so what I'm gonna do is put all of those ingredients in the blender. Yeah, so we're gonna start off with the parsley first, and then lemon. Get rid of the lemon, and then the ginger. Nothing nice like when you can put some fresh ginger in your diet first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's key. Then we're going to put some celery inside of it. All right. That's the first thing you want to do in the morning. Then we're going to put some cucumber. What left, I will just keep that till the next morning. Lovely. So you can see that is looking really good. Lovely and nice. Now, as I said before, you don't even need to add water. Honestly, you can just simply put the lid on. All right, and it's gonna be like this. Okay. Good news is that you can also get yourself a copy of my book on Amazon, 50% off. Grab yourself one and support the progress. Okay, now what we're going to do, we are going to blend this. A little bit remain, which I'm going to put inside of it. All right. Yeah. I'm just gonna make 1 cup out of it. Good vibes. Then put on back the lid. The best way to start your morning is this way, guys. Trust me, it's worth it, man. And I'm almost sorry I didn't know certain things before. Sugar free. But once you blend it out, yeah, honestly, everything different. So I'm just gonna rinse out my juicer with a little bit of water. Yeah, excellent. Okay, so this morning I'm still drinking apple cider vinegar and water. So in the morning, all right, still drink some warm water. I drink warm water first thing in the morning and an empty stomach. Sometimes I do the cayenne pepper one. Amazing. So you're just draining out at the moment. Yeah, beautiful one. Yeah, really nice. So use a spoon. So this is what you want to have in the morning, and it's definitely very good. So you can see the amount of juice that come out of it already. don't have to waste this. You can use it. But at least 50% is right here. Yeah, 50%. And as I said, don't waste this. You can do a lot of things with it. You can use it, make tea. You can do a lot of stuff from it. Okay, good vibes. There's more. I'll make it go and drain in the meantime. But as I said, guys, this is the beautiful juice right here this morning from me to you guys. Almost every morning I normally do a juice like this. Sometimes I do beetroot, sometimes I do all different things, cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar, you name it, encouraging us just to be on the safe side in the morning. Lots of people asking me why I do this kind of juice in the morning. Excellent. Look at that, guys. That is lovely. Lots of people say, why you make juice first thing in the morning, Ricardo? Okay, guys. Why I make juice in the morning? Okay, I'm going to tell you something. We're going to try this nice, lovely green juice, which I just make for you guys. It's for you and to encourage you, your audience who are watching. It's to encouraging you, because this morning I'm already done drink lukewarm water, apple cider vinegar water, and the list goes on. Yeah, so, and then I'm gonna jump straight into this beautiful one. So once I drink this, I won't be eating anything till about after 2-3 o'clock today, the least. Roughly about 3 o'clock before I eat anything. So I don't have to, nothing will be going inside of my gut. I'll be eating the fruits or anything for the rest of the day until roughly about 3-4 o'clock in the evening. Let's say roughly about 3 o'clock today, before I will put anything else in my gut. And I will be working, so this will be burning off. It's the encouragement. And if you appreciate the encouragement, you know exactly what to do. Follow me and learn more, man. It's good to look after yourself. Don't be a fool of yourself, brother. Trust me. All right, let's go for it. Nice. Don't start the morning with sugar, sweet fruits. Red flag. If you want to eat banana in the morning, green banana is going to be better. Yeah. That banana, I don't even eat. I eat them probably about after 1 to 2 o'clock today, after 2, 3, the least. Yeah. Very nice green juice. This is amazing. The flavor. Wow. Wow. This green juice, it's so beautiful and relaxing. You see? Just a tiny little bit of water I rinse out. And look, you get a nice, lovely cup of green juice this morning. You can add spinach, you can also add kale to it. But I had parsley. Parsley is powerful, guys. I love parsley, man. Parsley got vitamin A, vitamin C. You're getting from that 2 things this morning. Okay. Get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. And yeah. So I want to leave the message with you guys this morning. Have a beautiful day, fantastic day. And whatever you do, man, stay blessed. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be back in the kitchen with another recipe to share with you and to encourage you what you can do first thing in the morning and to look after yourself. Stay away from sugar first thing in the morning. After you detoxify the body in the morning, And if you want to eat something after, then brilliant. Love you. Have a great weekend, great day. Stay blessed. And we will catch up tomorrow morning again with another juice. So whatever you do, man, you know if you do the right thing.